Welcome to the future. AI for regulatory affairs specialists. Regulatory affairs can sometimes feel like an endless race. Mountains of documents, ever-changing compliance details, and constant updates that keep you on your toes. Imagine if you had a tool that not only streamlined your work, but also significantly lightened the load. This course was built with you in mind. It offers practical, step-by-step video lessons that take the complexity out of integrating artificial intelligence into your daily tasks. From generating accurate compliance reports to diving deep into data analysis and extracting key insights from lengthy documents, you'll learn to use AI as an efficient, reliable partner. By investing in this training, you're not just acquiring new skills, you're future-proofing your career. With each module designed to meet the specific challenges of the regulatory sphere, you can expect to be armed with real-time updates and predictive insights that help you stay ahead when new regulations pop up. Every month, our content is refreshed so that your strategies and tools remain current, practical, and ready for any challenge the industry presents. Most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. By mastering these AI techniques, you'll transform repetitive tasks into automated processes, giving you more time to focus on high-impact strategic work. You can find all AI for Regulatory Affairs Specialist training courses on CompleteAItraining.com.